Hello everyone, Chris here. 2023 is almost over and I wanted to take a minute to get a quick update out before it was all done. Now, 2023 has probably been one of the longest years I've ever experienced. I probably say that at the end of every year, but it seems like we did a lot in 23, including attending 3 different rep festivals all over the United States. And everything else going on in the basement never slows down. Currently, I'm working on this King Rune KLP1 right here, and this is one of 2. You might have seen both the live streams. I got an original one, and then I got an updated one later on. They're very different machines, and I want to get something out about that. I also want to try to improve it, because a lot of the 3D printers down here end up in the hands of other users. So it might make it to a Rep Festival this year, somebody else might get it, so I want it to be as good as possible. And I'm also using it to test the 3D Chameleon. The Chameleon is nothing new to the channel. We did the version 1 many years ago, but they've updated a lot since then, and I'm trying to get it working on this machine. Now, it is a plug-and-play device. It will work on any 3D printer, it's low cost, and it should be an easy way to get into multi-material printing. But because it's so versatile, you have to have a lot of custom settings for the printer you're installing it on to make it work as best as possible. So I'm hoping with a video series to make that as easy as I can. Now, all the other stuff that's going on, you see Spyro right here. I am still testing a lot of multi-material solutions. I am working with the Prusa team on a couple of their betas, and that's going great. That has been a wonderful experience over the last 18 months or so. I hope to continue with that, but it does keep me busy. And the other content, I've still got stuff just like usual. Octoprint, different machines coming in. We have stepped up live streams this year. In the past, I wasn't doing a whole lot. This year, my wife has joined me as a co-streamer, and we're trying to do one every 2 weeks. So be sure to check out all of those on the main channel. I'm also planning on doing another Patreon-only live stream early in January, so stay tuned for that. I will try to get out the notification as soon as possible. That also includes our YouTube members now. So if you're over there, you might not be seeing this video, but I'll include all of you that are supporters over on the YouTube side, and we'll be all good. So again, I just wanted to get you a quick update. There's always lots going on. I'm sure there'll be even more in 24. I hope you all have a great holiday, you had a good 2023, and 2024 is even better. This is just for you, my awesome Patreon supporters, and I'll see you really soon on the next coffee break.